Welcome back to the vlog channel with Scotty. Scotty is planting yam heads.
Yeah, we have set them up this morning and also plant them.
Yeah. Yellow yam.
Yes.
Scotty, about how much hill this year you did?
Think about 65 to 70.
About 70? Well, if I hill that, man. When you finish, I want you to demonstrate how you dig the yam hill.
Yeah,
Just well fit. Not true, Scotty?
what?
The pumpkin.
Oh,
You can't eat.
yeah, man.
Just well fit.
Yeah. How would that come from?
Ah, you broke your broccoli. You now go catch up a plant.
Nah, man, because if you notice, them have more than one eye.
Yeah.
So when you lose one, you have more growing up. Watch here, you have 3 eye, 1, 2, 3, and this is a long sprout.
Yeah.
So when the sprout pop off, it don't really matter because the eye is here.
Yeah, man. Right.
Or when the eye pop off, all to complete, it gives a lot of time to come back up.
Oh, okay. So why?
If you notice, if this even pop off, you have one here and one here. So you have 3 sprout and 1 head. 2 sprout and 1 head.
You cut any of the yam head like before you plant it?
Yes, whenever time they're extra big.
Okay.
Like this now, if you notice, you have an eye here and you have an eye here and then you have a sprout go. So if you lose the sprout, you have one here, one here.
Okay. I mean, notice you plant them two.
Yes, you plant them two. They can, you see, I like this head now. And if you don't want to cut it, you give the whole head to this hill.
Okay, because that's
understand?
Right.
So you chew it big, you say this hill can balance with this head. You don't have to put a second one in it.
Right.
So you put one like that.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, see like this now. I just couldn't plant this like this. Let me show you. Most people would have just plant this in his hill. But when you plant this, you don't get back the right yam like how you get it because the head is so big.
Yeah.
So you cut the head in a toe. You cut it in a toe because watch here. 1, 2, 3, 4 eye, 5 eye.
Okay.
Yeah, you see? You have 2 heads.
Right. The right way.
Yeah. All
So
these yam should have planted about, say, roughly 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
But, however, I wasn't here to put them in. So that's why I don't have to stay till about 3 weeks growing up.
So all of them ready for take stick now?
All of them, as long as them catch, you can't give them stick until they send them root.
Right.
Because if you give them stick now, you are going to haul it up exactly out of the hill.
Okay.
So you have to give them a little time to catch off.
To catch the root.
Yeah, run off a little bit. Yes, the reason why this spot is here,
Yeah.
we're going to pull it out like from here. So. Come back up all in sweet potato.
Right.
So we're going to have this area come under the hill of this yam here. See it like how you see the pine here?
Yes.
We're going to buck that, the hill on here. So we're going to have all where you stand up, we're going to close it in sweet potato.
Right.
So we're going to have sweet potato here and yam go up here.
Right.
So we start the yam from here, from now.
Right. Look at my sweet potato. Scott.
Turn over.
Yeah.
Also fertilize.
Are you weed it out?
We would have haul out today that day, but when we come down, look like somebody haul
Oh, yeah, because so green dead grasshopper. It look good though. This a little piece of sweet potato look good, Scotty.
Yeah. It's just all it needs to
Get some
turn
fertile.
over. When I say turn over, then show
Mm-hmm.
these
Mm-hmm.
um these long part here. We're hitching the dirt.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to hitch in the dirt. It's supposed to stay in the hill. If you notice here, what
Yeah.
here? What here? Potato start run already.
Yeah.
It's nothing that we are hitch. See? Hitching at the dirt. And turn it over. Turn it.
Explain why you take why you take out the one them that's itching in the dirt.
The reason why you turn it like this. The seat here, it will bear on the slip instead of on inside of the hill. So if you notice, see, this is hitching.
Yeah.
And this hitching can carry potato. So you don't make it carry on the slip. You turn it way that it go back inside of
The hill.
the hill. Now watch out. You see? So whenever time you come to dig potato, you don't want to dig it outside of the hill. You want to dig in the hill. So you turn off with that hitch.
And you say rat and stuff.
Yes, like that now one rat. If you do not turn it, rat harbor underneath it and eat off. Really eat the potato what inside. So when you come here, you say you have more rat potato. And then now it helps you to turn. When you turn it, it don't expose out of the hill.
Yeah.
The way it's hitting.
Yeah. Okay.
And the turning help it a lot to the sun.
Yes.
Get more sunlight.
Okay.
And the sunlight and it do the bearing.
That's right.
The energy come from the sun there. It is a thing where it's not, so you can't leave it like that. You have to turn it. It's a compulsory, you have to turn it.
I think a lot of people who plant sweet potato don't know that because
Yeah, you have to turn it.
quite a few people ask me why you turn it.
Yeah,
Some of them call me and ask me about it, so it's good knowledge you're sharing here right now.
It's a hitch. Stopping the hitching. If you notice it won't bear on the slip, see here.
Yeah.
So you can't afford it to bear on the slip. You need to bear on the hill.
Right.
You are looking bearing. If you don't turn it, you have less bearing.
Very important plant that I have on my farm is the vervain bush. A very good medicinal bush. In COVID, a lot of persons, after taking their vaccine, use the vervain to prevent blood clots. So this is the vervain plant. I'm thinking of making a vervain farm. My husband is going to do it actually. And here is something that needs to be known by the world. This is guinea grass, and this is a very important grass to have on your farm, especially in St. Elizabeth. Because St. Elizabeth is so hot, most of the farmers, most of the crops that we plant, we grass them before planting. So what people would call mulching. So we mulch it to keep the moisture in the soil, keep the plants cool because of how hot the parish is. And because of the red dirt tends to be harsh and and easily dried out. So hence we use this grass, and a lot of people plant this grass just to sell it back, because 1 square of this grass is 3,500 Jamaican dollars, which would be the equivalent of 20 about 26 US dollars for 1 square of this grass. 28?
Yes, it's very much important to have that grass because it have a medicine to keep the plants them cool.
Yeah.
It's very to the plants them.
Yes.
Keeping it cool, moisture. Whenever time you don't have that amount of rain, keep it, the grass keep it cool, just like the rain is falling.
Yeah. And we don't, in St. Elizabeth, we don't use the grass green. So we would put it to dry. Not so dry as this one, but we put it down for a period of time before, to get it dried down before we put it on the plants or put it in the fields for preparation for planting. So it's about 28 US dollars, 3,500 Jamaican dollars for 1 square of this grass. And we call it the guinea grass. Guinea grass.
You have lots of people plant the yam like this. This is a backway plant. You plant it backward. This is a blackway plant.
Yeah.
But normally, Manchester do not plant yam backway. We plant it front way. This is the front. We do like this. You see? Yeah, we do it from the front. But lots of people just do it from the back. When we plant it the front, when you plant it at the front, you get a better bearing than when you plant it at the back. This head is so big.
Yeah.
So we couldn't, we couldn't use it, plant just one hill alone.
Right.
So we cut it in two and get 2 head off of it, and we do like this. That one plant, and we go back and do like this. So we don't have to plant it like this. This is a back way. You don't plant it back way at Manchester. See back way planting.
So Trelawney people plant it back way?
No, yeah, front way.
Front way?
Yeah, like lots of persons now when they know about planting yam, them plant it black way.
Oh.
So when you plant it back way, the yam expose out of the hill.
Right.
So when you do like this, you have the yam into the soil, properly into the soil.
Right.
Yeah, that one properly into the soil. This seed, you know, I'm gonna get 2 head off right away there. We have a big hill here where we could have used this yam and put it in the big hill. But we want the yam to bear exactly more than 1 yam,
Right.
so we cut it in 2 like this. So we have 2 head.
Yeah.
So like this now, it don't grow so tall, so you're going to cut it like this. To make it rotten fast and grow quick. So you plant it over the back like that. This one you do like this. Alright. This one is for this. Do like this.
Yes, teacher.
Again, go back again. Now this head, we have cut this head also. Because this head big. Place me never know, say people are telling me, say, Scotty, you go and go there now.
Oh, you tell me that you see a lady from Maypen.
Yeah. And she asked me where me live.
Yeah.
Morning, mission, morning, mission.
Morning.
Morning, teacher. There again.
A teacher then called me, you know. He said, me I tell the lady, say, what your name?
Yeah.
Scotty said, no, sir. I know that on the program.
Eh.
A teacher me hear them call you.
Because you're the teacher. Now, Irie pumpkin overfit on the farm. This pumpkin is overfit. Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog channel, Shan Unique Vlogs JA, the sister channel to Shan Zen Zen Jamaican Vibes. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I post new videos on this channel, you'll be notified. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's bye for now.